my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video, we are doing our second round of summer decorating. Yes, the 4th of July has not come yet. However, I am just ready for a clean, blue, fresh slate. So we are bringing in all of the coastal vibes. I am so excited. If you're here for it, let's go ahead and get started. Before we jump into decorating and before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Berga. You guys know I am a giant Berga fan. Berga makes the best phone cases that I have ever owned in my entire life. This is the one I currently have on my phone. The super cute and fresh lemons. But I have a new order in and I am stoked to be sharing this with you. So let's go ahead and unbox these really quickly together. Berga is currently having their summer sale, so you can stock up on all of your summer essentials, which is amazing. I told you guys last time I shared Berga with you that I was super excited about their new line of phone cases, and they're even cuter in person. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? This one is called Al Fresco, which is so cute. I love the little sardines. And the other one I got is very similar. I am so excited about this one. Oh, it's so cute. It looks like a little sardine can. These are their tough cases, which are phenomenal. They have this rubber insert that goes around your phone and keeps it extra protected. And then that goes inside this really durable plastic case here that has the design. They change out their designs all of the time, and they always are going with the fashion trends. So you can find, you know, something that is modern and current. So love these so much. What a fun little summer vibe. Michaela likes the Elite cases. So that's what we've got here for her. One is this super fun, like sun case. This is so cool. This is so her. She's very, very cool. But these cases are amazing. They have this really nice fabric on the inside that keep your phone protected. They also have a bezel design. So that way, if this falls, this lifted bezel right here keeps your camera protected. So that way, if it falls, you're not gonna break your camera. So, so important. Let's open her other one. She also got the Al Fresco one that I did. Love that so much. These also have a nice grip here on the side so you can hold your phone and keep it you know, nice and secure. They also have all kinds of other fun accessories like power banks. I showed this to you in my last video about Berga. That's great. I'll show it to you here in a second what it does for my phone. But they also have AirPod case covers. Look at how cute to match the phone cover. This is such a summer vibe. I love it so much. This makes me like want to go to the Amalfi Coast or something. So cute. And a new addition to all their fun accessories, they have added beach accessories as well. And I've got a beach blanket here. You guys know I've been talking to you about my desire to spend my entire summer on the beach this year. I literally want to go to the beach at least once or twice a week. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is the lemon tart print. This thing is huge. This is huge. And this is the smaller of the two options, and it's perfect. I love the tassels on the side. Just looks so nice to just put out in the sand, and you'll look so beachy and fresh, and I absolutely love it. It is so soft too. I would use this. I think I might actually keep this in my car for like a blanket, like not even just, you know, putting down on the ground, but using it as a blanket. I always need a blanket for football games and everything. So this is fantastic and the quality is incredible. Let's go ahead and switch out my phone case because I have to put this sardine can on. I cannot even with how cute this is. And I love the, oh my gosh. Is that not adorable? Obsessed. And these are great because the little power bank just, connects to your phone like this, and it does it, it just charges your phone. It is fantastic, and that still looks really, really nice. And their cases and power banks and everything come with a 12-month warranty, so if something's not working correctly or something happens, you can reach out to them. And right now on their website, they're having a huge summer sale, so you can get all your summer essentials. Everything is 20% off across the website, plus their cases are buy two, get two free, so you're gonna get 4 cases for the price of 2. And if you use my code TiffanyX5, you're gonna get an additional 5% off on top of all of that. So now is the time to stock up, you guys. These make excellent gifts, and also the summer essentials are perfect for yourself. So get one for you, maybe 2, and a couple for everyone else in your life. So thank you again to Berga for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into summer decorating. Before we get started, here's a quick look at everything we're going to be using to decorate with today. I do have a haul of all of these items that you can check out. I'll have it linked for you down below. We're also going to take a quick look at how my home looks currently. We're going to be able to easily just bring in all these different touches of coastal decor throughout my home so effortlessly. We're going to go ahead and get started here with my sofa table. This is from World Market, and I'm bringing in this beautiful book from Amazon and this gorgeous oyster hurricane that I picked up this year from TJ Maxx, along with this beach scented Bath and Body Works candle. I will tell you that I did end up switching this out later in the video and putting that other hurricane back. That other one is from Walmart, and I will link all of the things that I can for you down in the description box under links from today's video, so make sure you check that out. I also have this little driftwood candle holder here from Amazon, as well as this dried starfish I picked up this year. Down here to the bottom, I'm bringing in this really cool looking sailboat that I grabbed from HomeGoods this year, as well as this beautiful wicker pitcher and those gorgeous white geranium. Moving into my living room, I'm starting off here at the coffee table with these beautiful pieces from Hobby Lobby, as well as this East Coast pillowcase I picked up this year on Amazon, and these gorgeous sea glass orbs that I also grabbed from Hobby Lobby, and I do believe that little miniature dough bowl is also from the Hoblob. This beautiful cement shell is from a local antique shop, and I think it looks really beautiful here on the buffet under my TV. And this is where I ended up moving that oyster hurricane, and I decided to fill it with these little miniature nautical knots that I picked up on Amazon this year. These are so cool, and they look really, really pretty in this hurricane. These hanging wooden buoys are some of my favorite items that I picked up this year, and I think they look gorgeous hanging on this blanket ladder from Hobby Lobby. So very pretty. We're going to go ahead and move over into my dining room now. We're starting off with my little IKEA hutch and this gorgeous piece here from Antique Farmhouse, as well as this whale. This is also from Antique Farmhouse. They're technically bookends, but I think they look really pretty just like this. I'm also going to bring in a few more of those dried starfish. What an easy way to bring in the ocean. And we're also going to bring in more of those orbs. These are clear glass orbs, also from Hobby Lobby, and another one of those coral pieces that looks so beautiful, again from Hobby Lobby. Moving over to my kitchen, I'm just going to change up a few items here in my little kitchen hutch. This is such an easy way to bring in whatever seasonal decor I'm adding by just switching out a few little pieces. So one is bringing in this little welcome sign from Hobby Lobby, and I'm also going to add some shells to this little cloche here. This cloche is from TJ Maxx. And in that little flower arrangement right there are those blue florals. Those are so pretty. I believe those are from Michael's this year. I will link them for you down below. They are my favorite for summer, and I am leaving those out. They're just so beautiful. We're also going to switch up this top sign here for this little vase, also from Hobby Lobby. I just liked the colors and a little bit of the rustic feel that it brings in. Again, just switching out a few small pieces makes it super simple. I still wanted my home to feel antique and lived in and collected while just bringing in touches for the summer. I'm also going to switch out that little pitcher down on the bottom shelf. We're going to move the pitcher out of the way and bring in this really pretty blue ceramic pot that I have, and that's going to finish up this sweet little kitchen hutch. Moving to the countertop, I'm only going to switch out one item here in my pie safe, this adorable little lobster brie dish. And then we're also going to add in some wooden scoops here to these beautiful canisters. These are from Hobby Lobby. They are affordable and absolutely gorgeous. I will link them for you down below. I adore these, and they have been such a beautiful addition to my kitchen. The last item we're going to switch out is my butter dish. I found this little lobster butter dish at HomeGoods, and I love it. It matches that brie dish, and I think it's perfect. And that's going to finish up all of the coastal decor that we're going to be adding in right now. We're going to go ahead and walk through and see how it all turned out. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's Coastal Decorate with me. I hope that you enjoyed coming along and adding these touches of summer all throughout my home. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful, and although they're just minor touches, they do bring in so much warmth for this season. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. It's free to subscribe. You'll be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.